Welcome to historic Tapoco Lodge. This beautiful lodge is located right on the Cheoah River in Robbinsville, North Carolina. And it harkens back to the old days with a lot of just antique touches but modern amenities. So let's start exploring this lodge. Now we're walking into the main lobby, which is actually where you check in as well. And this lobby area is big and spacious, and it actually is a gift shop as well. So everything that you see here are beautiful products that you can buy. And we're walking into the restaurant. This is where breakfast is served. Now, this is the bar that is inside. I absolutely love this bar. It has such cozy vibes and a feel. Now, to the side of the bar that you can see right there is this kind of recreational area. You have some books and games. There is the business center and a computer set up right there. Now, keep in mind that there is no cellular data out in this part of the mountains, but the Wi-Fi here is strong and fast, and we were really happy with it. That's my room right there. I'll show you that in just a moment. There is a coffee stand set up with hot chocolate that is always available. I love these antique touches of like the old post office boxes. You have the old bank teller right there. And then these are the stairs that would go up to the second and third levels. So let me just give you an idea of what the parking is like here, because a lot of people stress out about the parking. I understand that. It is massive. There is plenty of space. What we love is this covered parking for motorcycles and like the more sports cars that come here is also a great place to see some of just like some really unique vehicles. But like I said, plenty of parking. Now let's take a tour of Evergreen. And this was the 2-bedroom suite that I stayed at while at Tapoco Lodge. Now the room out here is going to have the king size bed. You have a little seating area. And then the other bedroom is going to have a queen size bed in there. And we found the beds to be super, super comfortable, really, really great amenities. There is a small little mini fridge and a little tiny coffee station right there. And then out of this room, you can see that river view, which is just amazing. Now, this is an accessible room because it is on the first floor, and so the bathroom is definitely very large and has a lot of accessibility as well. We enjoyed our stay at Tapoco Lodge. I do have to say, in this specific room, it is located right next to the ice machine. So you are going to hear people getting ice whenever during the day that they decide to get ice. Also, this is a historic lodge. It's built in the 1930s. And the people above walking, you can kind of hear it. And you can hear the wooden floors kind of creaking. If that's something that is going to annoy you, I would definitely go to the second or third floor rooms if you are able. Now, this is a Tapoco Tavern overlooking the river. This is just such a nice place. Anybody can come here. Everybody that's driving by stops in to have a meal here. We had great meals. This is the trout nuggets. We don't usually eat trout a lot, so we didn't feel that they had much taste. Maybe that's how it is. But the hamburgers were amazing. That's the hash brown casserole and the fries. The desserts were amazing here. This carrot cake was rich and dense and worth every single calorie. So this is the outdoor bar. You can also just come here, get a drink. It had just poured down rain. That's why nobody is in it right there. But tons of seating. So we have the outdoor seating up above. This is the dining down below. And then as we pan down over the Cheoah River, then there is some more seating right there, so you can bring a drink up there. So all kinds of places to hang out. This was another small bar inside. It wasn't open while we were there, but I can just imagine how cozy this would be. Now, there are cabins in addition to the lodge, and there are pet-friendly cabins. So you can have your own little place in the woods if you would like, and there is quite a variety of cabins that are behind the lodge. We love the creeks flowing through the property, and these little bears that are on those pipes, those were a cute little touch to find. There are so many activities at the resort. There are hiking trails. One goes to a waterfall. There is pickleball and tennis. This is the Tin Can Theater that shows movies. There is a fire pit area that you can make s'mores at night. They even give you the firewood to make your own fires if you want to. We even had axe throwing. There is guided hikes to enjoy. So there is so much to do at the Tapoco Lodge. Nearby attractions include the Fontana Dam as well as Tail of the Dragon, an 11-mile roadway with 318 curves that is very popular among motorcyclists.